I just got done working out. I know I look like a hot, like this ain't even a hot mess. This is just ridiculous, okay? So ignore the fact that I look ridiculous at the moment. Baby girl, I'm gonna need you to get it together, okay? So, before I do anything to my hair, I just wanted to come and show you guys my hair. I honestly don't know what I want to do to it yet. I'm actually in the mood to wear it out in a natural state and just not worry about it. But then again, I want to like seriously just, because I shampooed my hair while it was in the braids, but y'all know it's not the same. It's really not the same. So I'm like in the mood right now to just like deep scrub and clean my hair, but I know I can't do that with the color. But my scalp is so sensitive right now that I don't want to do a lot to it. I'm using is the HiColor L'Oreal highlights. I'm using Magenta, Chroma True Reds collection. No, okay, yeah, Chroma True Reds collection. I'm using Chroma Garnet or Garnet. Yeah, I can see that. Then Magenta, and I'm also using Chroma Sangria. So what I'm going to do is mix all of these colors, and first I'm going to apply it to my roots, let it sit and process for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna pull it through and let that sit for about 10 minutes, and then you guys already know I color my eyebrows as well. So I'm going to do half of each tube. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and detangle the rest of my hair, and then I'll be back once I start to apply the color. And I'm using 30 volume. Okay, you guys, so I haven't seen my hair. You already know we do this together. Okay, so what happened? Oh, it's my music. So as you can see, my eyebrow color did take it is decent. Once I wash my face, then the extra color will go away. I did shampoo my hair and condition it. I shampooed with the Manuka honey and yogurt line from Shea Moisture. So I did one shampoo and one condition because I didn't want to take all of the color out. Now, since my hair has been up in those braids for what, I think almost 2 months. I don't know the exact time, but I'll leave it. So I am going to deep condition and do a protein treatment. So this Manuka honey, it says it hydrates and repair protein power treatment. So I'm going to use this and just use up the rest of this intense hydration mask. So it's not a lot in here. See, it's not a lot in here. So I'm gonna use up this, and then I'm also gonna use this as my deep condition and protein treatment because my hair definitely needs protein. But let's go ahead and see what my hair looking like. Let's go ahead and do the reveal, okay? I have not seen my hair. Okay, Brittany. All right. Of course, it always looks a tad bit brighter under these lights, but it took pretty good. Pretty good. That's why it's so important to take small sections when you're working so you don't miss anything. So now I can definitely see right here. Like, it's not terrible, but I could have let it process just a little bit more. But it's not terrible. So I like the way my hair color turned out. Yeah, ignore my underarm hair. Once I get done coloring, then I'm gonna do my beauty treatments and shave, wax, body scrubs, all of that good stuff. So let me go ahead. My head is extremely sore. Okay, I'm gonna let this deep conditioner sit for about I'm gonna do the full 15 minutes. And once I rinse it out, I'll determine how my hair feels. If my hair feels too bad, then, well, feels too mushy, or I need a stronger protein treatment, for the momentarily, I'll use the Keratin 2-minute reconstructor. And then when the next time I shampoo and condition and deep condition, I'll use the stronger version of this Keratin protein treatment. So I'm gonna let this sit for the 15 minutes, and then we'll be back for the styling process. This ain't over.